Okay, everybody, hello and welcome to our English lessons. Thank you for those who interacted with the last lesson. And let's go on here with Unit 8, Lesson 1. We are going to start with this new unit, the weather and the climate. So kindly prepare your learners' books at pages 110 and 11, and the activity books at pages 88 and 89. By the end of this lessons, I hope that all of you will be able to listen for information, listen and classify, speak about extreme weather conditions, and read and write about them. Also, we are going to have some grammar, should and shouldn't, and we are going to take some vocabulary.
What's the weather like?
Here, how we are going to revise the last lesson. How people commonly ask about the weather. This is the first question. What's the weather like?
How's the weather?
This is another type. How's the weather?
What's it like outside?
What's it like outside?
What's the temperature?
What's the temperature?
Yes, the first one is American, British, and the second is American.
What's the weather forecast?
Okay, so these are some types of questions we ask about the weather. Okay, many times when we are talking about the weather, we can add the letter Y to the end of a noun to make it an adjective. Look here, for example, we have rain, it becomes raining. We have also sun, sunny, wind, windy, cloud, cloudy, fog, foggy. Remember that sunny, we are going to double the N and foggy too. Speaking. Some of you may argue about this, and they called me and talked, okay, how about speaking? How you are going to do it? Yes, I just want you to feel that as we do in a class, try to speak. Speak to yourself, recording yourself to someone of the family, speak to a friend. Try to answer the question. Take your time and feel free to speak. What's the weather like in your city or region in the different seasons? Do you think the weather is changing? If so, why? Are we humans responsible in some way? Do you think you can do anything about it? These are the questions I want you to take your time answering them, speaking about all of these. What's the weather like in your city? Do you think the weather is changing and why? Are we responsible for this in some way? And do you think we can do anything about it? And then come back and continue the video. Okay.
Flood. Flood. If there is a flood, a large amount of water covers an area which is usually dry. For example, when a river flows over its banks or a pipe bursts.
This is in Jeddah. I want you to concentrate and also on the flood here transcription.
Tornado. Tornado. A tornado is a violent wind storm consisting of a tall column of air which spins round very fast and causes a lot of damage.
Tornado. Look here, this is transcription, this is the pronunciation, and I insist every video, every lesson since the very beginning just to insert it here. If you are speaking American, you are going to say tor. If you are speaking British, you are going to say to. And the A is going to be a, tornado, tornado. Okay? You can speak American and say tornado. And look at this video of the tornado. The pilot. Oh. Look at the women in the other car. Oh.
Torrential. Torrential. Torrential rain pours down very heavily and rapidly and in great quantities.
This is torrential rain. You see, you can say torrential or torrential. This is British and the other one is American.
Typhoon. Typhoon. A typhoon is a very violent tropical storm.
Look at the planes.
Blizzard. Blizzard. A blizzard is a very heavy snowstorm with strong winds.
Everybody here concentrate, because there is a very little, a very slight difference between all of these. You have the typhoon, the tornado, the blizzards, and all of these. So please just look carefully at the videos to see the difference between them. Oh my God.
Completely frozen bird.
Drought. Drought. A drought is a long period of time during which no rain falls. Synonyms: water shortage, dryness, dry weather.
Droughts have been a scourge on our planet throughout the ages, hitting people where it hurts most by depriving them of food and water. They are a devastating natural disaster, causing over 11 million deaths since the 1900s and affecting a further 2 billion people. Droughts also hurt economies, costing an estimated $6 to $8 billion every year and threatening gains in food security and poverty reduction. Much of the damage is done to agriculture, which bears up to 80% of the economic cost of droughts in developing countries.
Sandstorm. Sandstorm. A sandstorm is a strong wind in a desert area which carries sand through the air. Severe. Severe. You used severe to indicate that something bad or undesirable is great or intense.
Synonyms: serious, critical, terrible.
Much of Italy is severely affected by coronavirus. An aircraft overshot the runway and was severely damaged.
Look here at the pronunciation of severe here. S-E-V-E, because the E is followed by a consonant and then a vowel, vowel, consonant, vowel, so it's C, severe, all right? The other E is followed by R and then E, so the same vowel, consonant, vowel, so we see severe, all right?
Hurricane. Hurricane. Hurricane.
Hurricane, hurricane, hurricane.
Okay, everybody, thank you. This is part 1, and we are going to continue, inshallah, with part 2. Thank you very much. Thank you.